Welcome to AI Visibility. So, you must be a technical person or you must be curious to know what's going on in this section. So, if I dive into AI Visibility, we have mainly four things: overview, prompt analysis, and the competitors and the prompts. So, I'll start from the prompts. So, the prompt section is actually built for to track what are the things people are checking on AI. So when people are checking things on AI, we can categorize that into three sections. Generally, if they are aware of something and they want to know about that particular field and they are trying to get knowledge about it, we call them aware. They are in awareness stage. And then if they know something about that particular brand, let's say about some detail like how the chat gpt works or how what are the tools, they are specifically checking something. So we call that they are in the consideration stage. And then finally they might find a name. Let's say they found site signal as a AEO strategy tool. Now they are checking whether that tool is a good tool or a bad tool. So that's the evaluation stage. So those three stages are critical for any business. So what you can do is we are allowing any uh, account to add about 20 prompts. Generally, when you are starting out, 20 prompts is more generous. And down the line, our plan is to give you more prompts. But at the moment, we are giving 20. So here, you will able to go to search console, go to Reddit or any other forum and find out what are the things people are searching about your domain, about your website or about your industry, and put it here and then start monitoring. So you need to categorize it. Better to categorize it in awareness, consideration, and evaluation. I will let you know why in next step. And then you have the brand related prompt, that is to give you the sentiment, whether you have a positive sentiment or a negative sentiment. So that's the prompt. And then if I go into overview, once you enter those prompts, you will able to see what are the things happening on LL, different LMs. So now you can see whether you are appearing in the awareness stage, consideration stage, or evaluation stage. So if I click all, you will able to see consolidated answer for all the stages, and you will able to isolate who are the competitors. And if you click on that, you will able to see, let me untake everyone. Okay. Try for fun. So they have been appearing like this. This is not a consistent answer. This is not a consistent pattern. So that means there are still room for improvement for anyone. So as you can see, side signal also is going up and down, and today we were not appearing. So you can see that. And here what you need to do is you need to start working on with your strategy. You need to start implementing the tasks given by the strategist. That is an AI agent working around the clock and giving you suggestions. So here you will able to see the top competitors. You can always download, and you will able to see the share of voice in different LLMs, and then AI visibility breakdown, the source compositions. Because when the AI is creating an answer, it takes answer from different platforms. You need to know where you are going to place your answer in order to get the visibility. So this composition is pretty important. You can see this colors are varying. That means each AI is taking answers from different sources and the percentage is different. And here you will able to see how we are appearing over the time period, and whether they are trending down, normal, trending up, all of that. And then what are the sources, and then the brand sentiment analysis 100% okay, and what are the sources used for this sentiment. And then you have the prompt analysis, which tells you about individual prompt. So here it deeply dive into each individual prompts and tell you the story about it. And then you have the competitors. So I entered one competitor, I'll able to see the answer and the sources it has used to generate this particular answer. So it's loading at the moment, but in a nutshell, this is a deep dive into your prompts, and it will help you to understand what is going on and how the AI are forming the answer for your domain and for your industry. Thank you very much.